Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Stan Store and Kajabi. Stan Store is an e-commerce platform designed for creators, influencers, and businesses looking to sell products directly to their audience. It allows users to create personalized storefronts with their branding, product listing, and design elements. This customization helps in establishing a unique online presence. The platform supports various payment methods, making it convenient for customers to make purchases. Stan Store is designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces for managing products, orders, and settings. Kajabi is a platform focused on online course creation, membership site management, and digital product sales. It provides tools for designing and hosting courses, creating membership portals, and delivering digital products like ebooks and videos. Kajabi offers customizable themes, drip content scheduling, assessments, and community building features to engage and retain members. It also includes marketing automation tools, sales pipelines, and analytics to help creators effectively monetize their content and grow their online business. Stan Store is great for creators looking for a simple, cost-effective platform to sell digital products and services. Kajabi, on the other hand, offers a comprehensive suite of tools for creating and marketing online courses, with robust features for email marketing and customer management, but at a higher price point. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.